Hi students, today we will study efficiency of Carnot engine. Efficiency of Carnot engine is stated by the relation efficiency eta is equal to work obtained divided by energy supplied, that is equal to W upon Q1. Net amount of heat absorbed by the gas during complete one cycle is Q1 plus minus of Q2, that is Q1 minus Q2. For cyclic process, change in internal energy du is equal to 0. That is, in Carnot cycle, when one cycle is completed, then original state is restored, so that the change in internal energy is equal to 0. Put this value in first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics is dq is equal to du plus dw. Put du is equal to 0, then we get dq is equal to dw. It means that work done is equal to heat absorbed. Heat absorbed is equal to work done, that is Q1 minus Q2. Net amount of heat absorbed is equal to work done W. Then efficiency eta is equal to work done divided by energy supplied, that is work done divided by heat absorbed by the system, that is equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1. Efficiency of Carnot heat engine. Work obtained by the gas during one cycle is given as W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. W1 is the work done during isothermal expansion. This is the Carnot cycle. The graph is plotted pressure versus volume, represent a Carnot cycle, that is indicator diagram. Figure shows a Carnot cycle C1, C2, C3, C4. Work done W1, that is the work done during isothermal expansion, that is along C1, C2 curve, that is equal to RT1 log of V2 upon V1 plus W2 is the work done during adiabatic expansion, that is equal to R T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1 plus W3, this is the work done during isothermal compression, that is represented by curve C3, C4, and the value of W3 is equal to minus RT2 log of V3 upon V4. This work done is negative. It means that work done on the gas plus W4, this is the work done during adiabatic compression, and W4 is equal to minus R T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1. On simplification, this term is cancelled with this term. Finally, we get work done is equal to RT1 log of V2 upon V1 minus RT2 log of V3 upon V4. This is the value of work done. Efficiency eta is equal to W upon Q1, that is equal to RT1 log of V2 upon V1 minus RT2 log of V3 upon V4 divided by the value of Q1 is RT1 log of V2 upon V1. The value of Q1 is nothing but the work done W1. put here the value of W1, that is Q1. Then finally we get this relation. We know that adiabatic relation TV raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This relation is applicable for adiabatic curve, that is C2, C3. This is adiabatic curve. Again we apply this relation for C1, C4 adiabatic curve. Then we get for adiabatic curve C2, C3 we have a relation T1 V2 raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V3 raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This is the relation for C2, C3 adiabatic curve. In Carnot cycle, this is C2, C3 curve for adiabatic expansion. Here at point C2 volume is V2 and temperature is T1. So that here T1 V2 raised to gamma minus 1, that is equal to at point C3 the volume is V3 and temperature is T2. During adiabatic expansion temperature falls from T1 to T2, so that at C3 there is a relation T2 V3 raised to gamma minus 1, that is equal to constant. For another adiabatic curve C1, C4, during this curve the gas undergoes adiabatic compression, and the adiabatic relation for C1, C4 curve is T1 V1 raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V4 raised to gamma minus 1. Here T1 V1 raised to gamma minus 1 is at point C1, and at point C4 the volume is V4 and temperature is T2. Therefore T2 V4 raised to gamma minus 1. Now divide equation. This equation is divided by this equation. Then we get a relation. Divide this equation by this equation. We get on simplification V2 upon V1, that is equal to V3 upon V4. Efficiency eta is equal to RT1 log of V2 upon V1 minus RT2 log of V3 upon V4 whole divided by RT1 log of V2 upon V1. In this equation put V2 upon V1 is equal to V3 upon V4. Then we get efficiency eta is equal to T1 minus T2 divided by T1. We know that efficiency eta is equal to Q1 minus Q2 upon Q1, that is work obtained divided by energy supplied. This is according to the definition, and efficiency of Carnot heat engine is eta is equal to T1 minus T2 upon T1. Compare both this equation, then we have one minus T2 upon T1, that is equal to 1 minus Q2 upon Q1. It gives T2 upon T1 is equal to Q2 upon Q1. It means that Q1 divided by T1 is equal to Q2 divided by T2. Efficiency is always less than 1. Efficiency of Carnot engine depends upon temperatures, that is T1, T2. T1 is the temperature of source and T2 is the temperature of sink. And efficiency does not depends upon the nature of working substance. Second law of thermodynamics statement, heat by itself cannot flow from cold body to hot body. This is the simple statement of second law of thermodynamics. Second statement for second law of thermodynamics, that is Kelvin statement. Statement, it is impossible for self-acting machine unaided by any external agency to convey heat from body at higher temperature to another body at lower temperature. It means that heat always flow from body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. This is Kelvin statement for second law of thermodynamics. Now third statement for second law of thermodynamics is, the entropy of universe tends to maximum, that is entropy of universe always increases. This is second law of thermodynamics.